There's a silent thief robbing you of nearly half your mental energy each day, and I bet you've never noticed it. When I eliminated it, my productivity doubled in less than a week. You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because you're making 35,000 decisions every single day. That's not an exaggeration, that's science. And most of these decisions, they're completely pointless. What should I wear today? What should I eat? Should I reply to this email now or later? Coffee or tea? Workout now or tonight? Instagram or TikTok? It's exhausting just listening to it, right? That's your brain every single day. It's like running a marathon inside your skull before you've even had breakfast. And here's the kicker. These micro decisions are stealing 43% of your mental battery. Almost half of your potential gone because you're wasting brain cycles on things that don't matter. But here's where it gets interesting. Look at Steve Jobs. Look at Mark Zuckerberg. Look at Obama when he was president. What do they all have in common? They wore the same damn outfit every day. Why? Because they understood something you don't. Decision minimalism isn't just for aesthetics, it's for cognitive power. When I was struggling to finish my projects, missing deadlines, feeling exhausted by 2 p.m., I thought I needed more coffee, more motivation, more hustle. Turns out, I just needed fewer decisions. Decision minimalism isn't about limiting your life. It's about eliminating the noise, so you can focus on what actually matters. Here are the 3 areas where cutting decisions will give you an immediate energy boost. First, your morning routine. Pre-decide everything. Your outfit, your breakfast, your commute, your first task at work. Make it the same every day for a week. No thinking aloud, just execution. Most people wake up and immediately start depleting their willpower. Should I hit snooze? What should I wear? What should I eat? Stop it. Those decisions don't deserve your mental energy. Second, your workspace. Clear it. One project visible at a time. Close every tab you're not using right now. Delete apps you don't need. Your environment shouldn't require constant micro decisions about where to focus. Third, your response patterns. Create templates for common emails. Set specific times for checking messages instead of deciding, should I check now, every 5 minutes? Make rules for yourself and follow them without question. The 10-minute system is simple. Spend 10 minutes tonight writing down every decision you'll face tomorrow. Then make those decisions now. What you'll wear, what you'll eat, when you'll work out, when you'll check email. When I implemented this, my energy at 4 p.m. felt like my energy at 9 a.m. Projects that took me a week now took 2 days. My creativity skyrocketed because I wasn't wasting brain power on whether I should have a sandwich or salad for lunch. This isn't about becoming a robot. It's about saving your decision-making power for things that actually deserve it, like your goals, your relationships, your future. So here's your challenge. Tonight, spend 10 minutes eliminating tomorrow's decisions. Pre-plan everything you can, then watch what happens to your energy. Until the next one, keep growing every day.